So one of the questions that I get asked most in classes is how to chop an onion. The first thing, onion goggles. Chop both ends off. Chop it in half before you peel it, and that makes it much easier to peel. So you want to put the point of your knife on the board and then use this bit of the knife. So this is half moons, this is what I call them in my recipes, and this you would use to if you want to do pickled onions, or if you're doing a pasta sauce or a soup or a stew where it's going to cook slowly, if you cut the onion like this, it will just kind of melt. Put this bit of your hand on top of the onion and cut about 90% of the way through. There, so I've left this bit all fastened together, and you want to squeeze both these sides. And then you put the point of your knife at that point you didn't cut to before, and just cut down, squeezing. And then all you need to do is squeeze it together and then just cut through. So this might go into a quick cook pasta sauce, or if you were doing a curry or something that was going to cook quickly. So the easiest way to remember it is if you're going to cook something quickly, you want to cut it small. The smaller something is, the faster it'll cook, the faster it'll get sweet and taste delicious.